Hi, my name is Tom. I'm a functional assessor for Ingeus. I work remotely doing a telephone assessment, work capability assessment for the Department for Work and Pensions. So I usually do like 5 to 6 cases a day. So my typical day is like I start off by being given a case in the morning. So I prepare for the case by looking through all of the medical evidence that is available for the case, just to know what to expect, what conditions the client has and what potential problem they may have in their life. I call the client, I explain them the process of the assessment, what to expect, what we're going to do. I'll tell them that the assessment is to determine whether they are suitable or not suitable to work, or whether there are any risks for them to start working. Then I ask them the questions about their condition history, about the typical day, just to see what sort of things they struggle with, what sort of problems do they have. And that information then is later put in the report, and the report is being sent to a decision maker within the Department for Work and Pension in regards to their claim. It usually takes me about an hour and a half to finish the report. Once I'm ready, I request another case. It usually takes me like the whole day to do those 5-6 cases. So this is majority of the things I do. I would say like 95%. The rest of the time we will have some meeting with the team to discuss any updates, any problems with the cases, or some learning as well.